Hello, my name is Hilary White. I'm a spokesperson for the European Foundation for Falconry and Conservation. Established in 2017, EFFC is a non-profit entity that channels European falconers' technical and financial skills into cultural and conservation projects. By doing this, we seek to continue a tradition of falconry as a highly qualified element in conservation projects all over the world and perpetuating that footprint in the collective cultural heritage. For us to have a platform at ADIHEX is very important. As a major event in the calendar, it offers us an opportunity to try and promote our aims and principles to a global audience. As part of this, we will be giving a presentation at the event entitled How Falconry's Values Can Contribute to Modern Society. This will be our first official participation at ADIHEX, and we are hugely appreciative of the invitation that has been extended to us by the organisers. Thank you.